Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Taking a look here at gold, looking at the weekly time frame. Congratulations to the bulls. Finally broke this long standing downtrend line for gold. Despite the fake breakout here, price came back down. Stability near this 50% retracement and a blast back to the 23.6 on the Fibonacci and a nice strong weekly candlestick to show that gold is now trying to change its trend, and now we need to see some kind of consolidation prior to the very big move that's coming up above the 1375 mark and upwards back to 1500 in the coming months. So what am I seeing as far as the near term? Well, as I just mentioned, I'll be looking for consolidation between this 1252 level and this 1295 1296, 1297 level. Let's call it under 1300. So this is the area where you want to see the support build now. So we'll see another test probably of this trend line, as it was a major one. So don't rule out that we wouldn't see some kind of retracement here and potentially come back down to about this 1256 level or so. I'm not saying that that's going to happen aggressively. I'm not saying that I have no way of knowing exactly how long this time frame is going to take. Or the amount of time it's going to take, I should say, for the price to kind of consolidate a little bit. But I say we can always see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame, and we'll use that as our guide. So again, we had price kind of consolidating a little bit here after this move up above this trend line, and then we had a nice look at that, just several just green candle after green candle out, 4-hour after 4-hour, an extension here. We all thought that it was going to be pulling back a little bit, but the bulls came back in, closed us near this close, and then we closed even higher on that 4-hour candle, trying desperately to get to this 1300 level. Now, I'm not going to rule out that we won't be touching this 1300 at the beginning of the week. However, I'm going to repeat myself. Price will need to consolidate in here before we have a fully confirmed bull trend for gold. So for right now, the most important thing is going to be consolidation of prices. Got to watch the US dollar to see what's going to happen with that, as that is also near the lows and possibly bottoming out here. Again, could see the US dollar extend just a little bit lower. The US dollar yen pair is also very weak. It closed below some key levels, however, closed near the uptrend line that we were looking for it to hold. So just monitor that pair. That's going to be the key to identifying what happens. But how aggressively the the U.S. dollar yen has been in a sell-off, as well as the U.S. dollar. U.S. dollar itself, the dollar index is trying to bottom out a little bit near the 91.70 and 92 level. So that's near the 200 and on the weekly time frame. And then also you have the dollar yen, which is looking like it could possibly reverse a little bit, and see that impact on gold would be obviously a reversal as well. So if the dollar yen pops up, gold will pop back down here, and again we'll bring in that consolidation before the next powerful move up above 1300, which would be a very aggressive move even higher. Going back to this daily time frame again, you can see here that we basically had a stop here at this 1260. We went higher, and I said, watch the 1270. From 1270, the next level you're going to see is around this 1284 level. And again, we paused at those levels that I was referencing. And now, as the pattern has always been, and the candles are very similar. So you can see right here we have this type of a candle set up here, and then here, very similar picture. So always follow what happened before. So we went down, came back up, went back down, went back up, confirmed the trend break, and now we're here. So the next move will be somewhere in here. So that's what I'll be looking for. That's what you should be looking for. If you're long, don't be afraid to take some profits. It's better to take some money off the table here and just wait for prices to kind of come back down to reality a little bit. So my moving averages that I usually use as my basis are right around here. So that's already at 1270 level right there. So you're looking for roughly a $12 to $20 fall from these recent highs, and that would be what we signal a nice strong trend continuation once we take a little bit of a breather here, and then we'll have to see what happens from there. But that's my little babble about what's coming in the future. I'll update you all on Wednesday as usual as part of my bi-weekly updates. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you all on Wednesday. Thanks again for watching.